Into the cave. Yeah, maybe just have a look. Well, he said we're not allowed to eat here, but we're walking down, so maybe we're just looking. And then what the freak is this? We're gonna get eaten. What the hell is going on? Okay, so this is where people would normally eat. Well, they said the air ventilation is not good, so it's not open. And I assume it goes on for a while in this cave. It's cool regardless. Here we are at the Chongqing Spicy Hot Pot.
We've had quite a day, haven't we, Dan?
Yes, big day in the office.
Anything you want to tell the vlog?